And today we have two amazing people who will be hosting the community meetup today. And that is Aderola and Sumaya. So they're going to introduce themselves and then we can all have fun. One fun fact is that Rola has actually been telling everyone that came early, they were all going to have fun. You just need to chill and you're gonna have fun. So over to you guys. Let's have fun.
My name is Aderola and I am 9 years old. I am a data scientist. I am a Python programmer as well.
Hello, everybody. My name is Sumaya and welcome to the community meetup. I'm currently studying Python programming.
Let's go downstairs. I'm tired. Guys, clap for them, guys. Clap.
Everybody, senior confession. I have a light standing in the path of darkness. I am created to make a better place. I rule and conquer my world. I rule to conquer my world. I rule the star illuminating my world. I am sun shining. Is everybody done? We are joining for the first time. Everybody, put 2 thumbs up if you're done.
Please, if you're new here and this is the first time attending the community meetup, you can please introduce yourself in the chat.
Why?
So can you please have Dear Kolola to present our project?
Is Dear Kolola here?
That's strange. We're going to present. That's strange.
Okay.
The name is
Since Dear Kolola isn't here, I would like everybody to introduce themselves. I would like everybody to introduce themselves in chat or in the mic.
Okay, my name is Adejoke. I've introduced myself. Is there anything you want me to say?
Yeah, you can say your age, what you do.
Okay. You wish I could say my age. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I train and mentor kids on how to code. And then for my age is going to be expressed in mathematical terms. Oh, I wish I could write in the screen. In algebraic expression.
Algebraic expressions?
Yes, I'm going to put it in the chat.
Algebraic. I don't know the sentence.
Okay, so thank you.
Why did I write sick instead of sick?
You can unmute yourself to introduce. You can introduce yourself by unmuting. If you are new, you can
I do not want to. No, I do. Jesse. No.
Jesse, it's not your first time, so you don't have to. Wisdom, can you introduce yourself?
I'm not gonna say my age because then you guys will know. I already gave you a hint.
Wisdom.
Give who a hint?
Yes.
All right, introduce yourself to us.
My name is Wisdom and I'm 9 years old.
Interesting. Everybody, let's give Wisdom a warm welcome. A Rubik's Code School welcome. This is his first time joining us. Let's tell him welcome, Wisdom, to your first community meetup. All right. Okay, who else is joining us for the first time? Pharaoh, me, but I think his audio is not connected. Okay, over to you, my amazing hosts.
Everybody, stop spamming.
Did you hear that? You're going to be stopped from typing in the chat if you continue to type the wrong thing, or you'll be sent out of the meeting. Jesse, take notes. Is that okay? So you don't want to be kicked out of the meeting, obey the rules. All right, dear Kolola is not here. So can we have Fatu present?
Fatu, please present.
All right, Fatu, please share your screen. Okay, Aderola, who else should we have aside Fatu? Okay, Fatu is up.
My name is Fatu. My name is Fatu. This favorite I used to create games, animation from scratch. So my favorite project is Devi and Champ 99. See what they'll do.
What did I do?
Thank you. Does anybody have any comments or what they want to say in the chat for Fatu?
I just said I'll put that in there.
Mm.
Tell us your name.
What's going on?
No.
Why Fatu on?
Good job.
Okay, so Fatu, you've done nice comments in the chat. Good job, nice project. Thank you. Aderola, who's the next person?
Miss Claire.
Okay, the next person is Enoch. Is Enoch here?
He's not here. So let's move on to the next thing.
Okay. Let's move on. Let's watch this video.
Please ask for your calamity.
Miss Claire.
Abisola, what do you want to say? Ire, what do you have to say?
I'm looking on server.
I'm fine.
Abisola, you're raising your hand. What do you want to say?
I forgot what I wanted to say.
All right, no problem. Okay, so we're moving on to the next thing on the agenda. How many of you did your word problem? If you actually did your word problem, please raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. You're the only one. Okay, let me just do this. Let me lower all hands first. Okay, then you can all raise your hand. If you did a word problem, raise your hands. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened to the others?
Hold up.
Jesse, Amira.
You forgot
Mia,
about me. You
you
forgot
did do
about
your word
me.
problem.
I think they're fake 'em. I think they're fake 'em.
Okay. So who can tell me what the word problem for this month is?
Project Unkindness.
Who can tell us now?
Random act of
Yeah.
kindness.
Thank you. So what exactly does it mean to be kind? Who can tell us what exactly it means to be kind?
Who we need to be kind to?
Why we need to be kind? Why do we need to be kind? Who is sharing the screen? Ire, is that you? Who can tell us what you all did the word problem?
I don't do.
Yes.
Oh, looks like you guys are getting more used to the chats now than speaking up.
Fatima,
All right, Milena, tell us what it means to be kind.
it makes people happy.
Making people happy. What about Deborah?
That's me now. You go.
Wow.
Deborah, I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Daniel, you wanted to say something. Deborah, mute yourself. Tell us what you understand by kindness.
It cheers people up.
Is to cheer people up. Amazing. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Adirola and Sumaya, what's the next thing?
We're having
Well, we're supposed to watch the video.
we are having a debate on whether which one do you want to choose. Either whether you want to choose 5,000 naira for yourself or 50,000 naira to split others.
But first, we said
So
watch
which one would you like to choose?
We need to watch the video.
Okay, so we'll be watching a video now.
Yeah.
Can you all hear me? So we're going
Yes.
to be watching a video now.
I
And after we watch the video, we're going to be having a session where we are going to have to discuss about what we get from the video. We're going to have a session to discuss if we are going to be picking an option. All right, so I want us to pay attention to the video. Please stop annotating on the.
Would you love to have 5,000 naira to yourself or share 50,000 naira to those who needs it?
I would like to have.
Alright.
Half a power for myself.
To yourself. Alright, take.
I would like to have this myself. God. I would love to give out.
What is name is Deborah?
Love to give out. Are you sure?
Yes.
You don't want to have it to yourself?
I would love to give out.
Okay, let's pause this. Let's pause this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So why did you decide
Let's
to
pause this.
help those who need?
Because
Can we pause the video? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So guys, if it was you, if you are in Nigeria, if you're in UK or you are in the US, if somebody were to offer you two options, number one, take 5,000 naira or $5,000 or 5,000 pounds for yourself, or give somebody 50,000 or share 50,000 naira, dollar, or pounds to people, what would you choose? If you want to answer that question, everybody should lower their hands now. If you're doing talking, you lower your hand. So if you have an answer to that question, I want you to raise your hand. Okay, Olamide, what would be your answer? What would be your choice, Olamide?
Give it to other people.
What did you say?
Instead, I've chosen 5,000 worth of money to others.
What did you say?
5,000 worth.
Okay, you prefer to have 5,000 things.
Money to share with others.
Okay, you prefer to share to others. All right. Milan, let's hear from you. Meet yourself.
I would rather share to others.
You prefer 50,000 naira to share to others. Wow.
Yes.
Also, Milena, what about you?
Share to others.
Wow, we have nice people here. Feromi, what about you? Or meet yourself. Oh, Feromi, we can't hear you. Okay, we can hear you. So
I
what
would
did
rather share to others than keep it, because God says that we should always share.
Wow, I love that. Okay, Fire. Who is counting the votes now? Fire.
I would rather share with others.
So you don't, are you telling me that you don't
All of
need,
you.
you don't need that 5,000? You don't need it.
Please, I need the 5,000 naira.
So
Okay.
Daniel, you
You have
prefer
one.
to have 5,000. Okay. Who else? Deborah.
I would give 50,000 away because some people need it more than me.
Oh, that's
All right.
nice. Okay. All right. So I guess we have our votes. Let's watch to the end. Virtually everyone on that video, different from you guys, many of them prefer to have the money. Only one person actually wanted to share with others. So let's see to the end.
Decide to help those who need.
Because it brings happiness to their face.
Well, you didn't have to get anything to yourself.
Doesn't mean.
Are you sure?
Yes, since I'm already working, so my salary money is there too.
But what's your name?
My name is Beauty.
I have one surprise for you.
Surprise.
So I want you to close your eyes.
Okay.
So you can open your eyes now.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No, stand.
Thank you. God will continue to bless you and your family.
100,000 naira for you.
I did not expect this.
So did you see that? Who can tell us what happened finally if you watched the video to the end? Okay, Milena.
The man surprised her with 100,000 because of a nice gesture.
Wow. So if you actually chose to share with others, that's such a nice gesture. It's really nice to help others. Daniel, I understand that you need 5,000, but you need to also work on making others happy. Okay? So guys, I'm so happy that you all have the heart to keep sharing with others. And I hope you really spent the month of February spreading different acts of kindness. Right? You did that, right?
Tell me who it is. Is this bridesmaid
Okay.
A, bridesmaid B?
Thank you.
Would you love to have?
Okay, so over to our hosts.
Yeah, so let's have Fayokolami present his project, then Ire should get ready. Fayokolami, are you there?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, so open your project. Ire started sharing.
Okay.
So tell us your name, your age, what you're working on. Ire, did you hear me?
My name is Faith and I'm 7 years old. And I'm showing you a project called Test. And the project is basically about the test just a little test to test you or to just make fun up jokes.
Okay.
So it's
What? Go ahead.
It says what is better, vegetable or candy? So like if I type candy here, wait, let me.
Do you know
What
we've not been seeing your screen? We were seeing Ire's screen, actually. Ire, can you stop sharing? If you don't stop now, you'll be kicked out of this room to another breakout room. So listen to instructions. Your colleague wants to present his project, give him the honor and the time. You've had your own privilege to present, so let another person do when it is their time. Fire, over to you. Unmute yourself, turn off your video, and share your screen.
Okay.
All right, Fayokolami, over to you. Tell us your name and what you're working on.
My name is Faikam and I'm working on a ghost game.
Okay. Tell us about the project. What happened with the project?
They're gonna hear you.
Fayokolami, over to you.
It's literally string it on my flip.
Okay, so can we see? Click on the green flag. Let's see what happens.
Okay. So you have to try and get the ghost.
So what happens once I get the goal?
The score changes to school to school 1 or school 2 or school 3.
Okay. I see something reading. What's that? 26, 27. Okay, so why was there a game over?
First, you did not get enough scores.
Okay, so So if I didn't get enough scores, it's going to be a game over, right?
Yes.
All right. Well done, Fire Kalami. This was a beautiful project. Thank you so much for sharing. So, to the host, what do you think? To the host, what do you think about the project? Then everybody can give comments on the project.
Well, I say
I don't want to my over to
This is a
you.
good project, Fire Kalami. Good job.
Thank you.
well, it's a good job, but I would suggest that you give instructions for the player of what to do.
Okay. Good job.
All right. So, Ire, let's have you.
Yes. Thing.
Ire,
What does that mean?
yeah, are you there?
Good job. Let me reply. Yeah. Miss Claire. Yes.
Okay. All right. Ire,
Claire.
share your screen. Oh, okay. So now let's have Jessie. Jessie, go ahead and present your project. Share your screen.
Corporate taxation.
What, you worked in tech?
We
No,
can't
tax.
see your screen.
Tax.
Oh my goodness.
There's like 1,000 now. No. That looks like a million, but are you kidding me? Hello. Are you kidding?
Okay, so over to you, Jessie. Tell us about your project and what your name is and what the project is all about.
Hello, my name is Jessie, and I made a project of food that is water shoot them
Jessie, we can't hear you. Jessie. Okay, so go ahead. Let's have you.
I made a project and it is called Gotta Shoot Them All. And my name is Jesse, and in Gotta Shoot Them All, you have to shoot the enemies coming towards you, and make sure they don't touch you. Because if they touch you, then you will get the game over backdrop, like this.
Can you expand it? We are not seeing it properly.
I can see it. I can see it. There's a room. Oh, there's a lot of people here. There's 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so let's do this again.
6, 7.
Click on the green flag, Jessie.
9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Wow. So you are trying to avoid those
Monsters? Or what are they? Enemies?
28 for me.
Yeah. You have to avoid the monsters and make sure and they disappear when they get to the edge. And you press the space bar to shoot them.
Wow. This is amazing. All right. So, guys, give comments for Jesse. What do you think he can improve on? What do you think about his project? Kindly put them in the chat. Amazing project you've got there. Well done, Jesse.
As a comment, I think it's good, but maybe next time you should let there's like if a monster touches the end physics. Really fun.
Okay. Who's giving comments?
I just need to tell them something. If I did that, then the game would be practically impossible.
Okay, so Ferami, do you have a comment? You can unmute yourself too. It's good and amazing. All right, Ferami.
My compliment is that I like the way all of them are moving, but is there any way you can make them move faster?
Faster?
Yeah.
Yes, Jesse.
Because at this speed, it's going to
make
be
it that fast because I don't want to make it that fast because what if a 4-year-old is playing this?
Then
But I mean,
anybody under
it's gonna get them more
17
mature, I guess.
Luna, but over all of them, I like it.
Thank you, Ferami. All right, so let's hear Milan. Milan, what's your comment? Milan, did you say something? You're muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
let's hear you again. Milan, we can't hear you anymore.
I can't say.
Ma?
I thought you were making comments. All right, thank you so much for those that have presented.
But even better than
So over to Aderola and Sumaya. Who's presenting next? Thank you.
I would say let's see.
Jesse should present first.
Jeremiah, let's let you present.
Okay. Wisdom, did you raise your hand? Milan, you can drop your hand. Do you want to say something?
No.
Daniel, go ahead and present. Fermi, you wanted to say something?
Miss Claire,
Yes, Jesse.
when I was raising my hand, you wouldn't listen to me.
Sorry about that, I didn't see it. Okay, Fermi, go ahead. Daniel, are you there? What do you wanted to say?
Who's gonna present next?
Okay. All right, so let's have Sumaya. Sumaya, over to you. I think we lost Daniel.
It's so good.
Yeah, Sumaya.
Okay, everyone. Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Maya Lukoya, and I'm here to just give a practical work on Python programming. So what I'm learning here is a basic algorithm for values. So here now, this is an interactive section in a way that you guys can choose what to input over here. So I have the 4 variables: name, age, school, and teacher name. So can anyone please volunteer to give their name and like their details?
Okay, if you want your name to be used, you can just raise your hand. All right, Ire, or mute yourself.
So Ire, you're going to be our volunteer. So first your name. Ire. Then please, Ire, what is your age?
7.
7. What is your school?
Claycross Primary School.
Yeah?
Claycross Primary School.
Can you type it in the chat? Or let's just use Ruby's Code School as an example.
I'm typing in the chat.
No need. Let's use Ruby's Code School as an example, since it's actually a school already in coding. Please, the teacher, what is the name of the teacher that is teaching you coding?
I don't know.
The teacher that is teaching you coding in Ruby's
What's
Code
the name
School?
of your coding teacher?
Mr. Ben.
Mr. Benedict. Mr. Benedict, okay. So now this has been saved as a variable. So these have been saved as variable. So now let's say I can implement them into an essay. There's a slight error over here. Okay. So now this has been implemented as a variable. So let's call this profile. Name plus so you can say my name is S plus variable name plus /n. So this /n allows you to create a new line, so as when it's being printed, when it's being outputted, it gives the variables in a block form. Plus I am it.
Excuse me.
Okay.
I don't understand anything.
Who's that?
Me.
Can person please mention their name?
Jesse.
Jesse. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm Jesse. This is a Python programming language I'm using here, and I'm using it to create an algorithm. So what I'm using this to create is the use of variables into a profile. So what I'm currently doing here is trying to implement these variables into a profile. I am.
What does increment mean?
So I am plus.
We have 7 minutes left.
H. Yes.
You say
Plus.
Okay.
So here I've already imputed the name and the age. What's my error? Yes, okay. The name of my school. Yes. Plus. Yes.
All right, Sumaya, can we see the outcome? A lot of people are interested in seeing the outcome. Well done. This is great.
both no boss. Yeah.
So now let's run it. There's a slight error. So print profile.
Okay. So while Sumaya is trying to fix our codes, Daniel, are you there?
Excuse me.
Daniel, are you there? Daniel.
Ma, good evening. Ma.
Oh, good evening. Okay, so let's have you. While Sumaya is trying to fix our code. Daniel, are you sharing? Nathan, get ready.
Ma?
Nathan, I was talking to Nathan. Daniel, we are not seeing your screen yet. Are you sharing? Nathan, are you ready? While Daniel is trying to open his project.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's have you too.
Can I present?
Who's that? Who said that?
Me.
Okay, Daniel is sharing now.
Miss Claire,
Mhm. You have presented, Jesse.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Daniel.
Okay, guys, Emmanuel is another text-based programmer.
what did
Okay, so I'll be presenting a project based on data visualization. And okay, from my slide here, data visualization is coming. I'm coming. Okay, for my slide here, data visualization. Okay, actually, let me start from now. Okay, I'll be talking about data cleaning and data visualization. Data cleaning means fixing bad data in your data sets. We have a lot of data sets, just like data sets include CSV files and XLXS files. And in
Daniel, you can unmute yourself.
okay, so as I was saying, there are some data sets that are wrong. It's either it has empty cells, data in wrong format, wrong data, or duplicate data in a particular data set. So data cleaning helps in cleaning, it helps in fixing bad data. And also data visualization is the process of using visual elements just like charts, graphs to represent data. So here now I have a particular data here. The name of my data is Titanic data set. If you want to have that particular data, you can go to cargo.com and you can search for the data and you see it there. So now let me run this.
Okay, thank you, brother. I'll be
Wait, I'm coming, run now.
Thank you very much.
Okay, it's running now. Let's see. So in this particular data set, there are two things that I used here. One is called matplotlib. Okay, there are actually three. One is called matplotlib, Seaborn, and pandas. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for data visualization. So it's Seaborn is used to make graphic, and Seaborn and Matplotlib are used to make data visualization such as graph, charts. Okay, this one now is like a chart of a particular data set in Python. The name of the data set I said earlier is Titanic data set. So let me run the particular data for you guys to understand. I'm coming now. So sorry everyone. My code is running actually. Let me run. in that in my data set, we have various columns like sex, age, SIBSP, patch, fair, embarked class who alone survived. So I used, when I was trying to do my data visualization, I picked three columns out of this data set. And when I picked the three columns, that was what brought out to that chart that we saw earlier. Do you have any question?
All
So wait,
right.
I'm coming. So that's
All right. Well done, Daniel. Okay, so does anyone have questions for Daniel?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question for Daniel. Okay, for we that we don't really understand data and the likes, can you please explain what you just did? Because not all of us that do Python, so we might not really understand what you just did. So can you just explain data and everything that you just did for us?
Daniel, did you hear that? Daniel? Oh, okay. I think Daniel got disconnected. All right, so let's have Nathan. Are you back? Daniel, are you back? Okay, so can you mute yourself if you are not presenting? Nathan, are you ready before we go to the breakout room? Nathan.
Ready.
Okay, go ahead and share your screen.
My name is Nathan, and I study HTML and CSS.
Can you speak up? We can't hear you.
My name is Nathan, and I'm learning HTML and CSS. In this project, I show random acts of kindness to help people, such as offering free groceries, jobs, and a house. And this is the code, the whole code. And this is what it turned out. So when you offer help, you enter in your name.
Nathan, we can't hear you. Can you speak up? Or is it from my end? Can you all hear him?
Yeah.
Its voice is quite slow.
Okay. So what did you create?
I
ID card.
I created a project for random acts of kindness where you can help other people who.
Oh, okay. Why you can help other people? You created a project on random acts of kindness.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see the outcome using HTML and CSS, right?
Just HTML for this one.
Just HTML. Okay, so let's see the outcome.
It turned out to be this. So you can offer free groceries, offer jobs, offer a house. So the last bit says, have any help to render. It means that you can send a message to say that there's another, that if you have another random act of kindness that could be added.
Okay. So it just keeps giving us random acts of kindness, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, guys. So if you have any comments for Nathan, You guys can put it in the chat. So now, guys, it's time. Well done, Nathan. This is a wonderful one. Creating a project on random act of kindness. Well done. It's a great one. Hiring. Okay, guys. So it's time for the breakout session. So what did we discuss in the last breakout session last month? Who can remind me? Can anyone remind me? Anyone?
So it was about can AI take our jobs? And most
Exactly.
people said no.
Okay, so for those joining us for this community meetup, we actually divide ourselves to breakout sessions. It depends on the stage you are. We have the adventurer, we have the creator stage, and we have the innovator stage. So you guys are going to be discussing in your group. Then you have to pick a representative that is going to come back to the main session. You just have let's say 5 minutes to do your discussion. So after 5 minutes, you pick a representative.
What?
Yeah, and you come back to the main room to tell us
what?
Wait, I'm still going to tell you, okay? So you're going to tell us what you guys decided, okay? So today we are going to be talking about, is it better to read books or watch movie? What do you think? Is it better to read books or to watch movie? You don't just decide. You also have to tell us the reason why you guys decided to go with it's better to read books or it's better to watch movie. Okay? Do you understand? Feromi, are you looking lost? Do you understand? Did Feromi say something? Do you understand? So guys, you have 5 minutes and the time starts now. I'm going to be assigning that you guys to your breakout room. So you should start moving.
What should we do?
I'm going to move you to your breakout room, okay?
Read a book. It's way better.
Okay, so you guys should go and discuss it in your breakout room and tell us what you think.
I don't know which one is.
Don't worry, I'm going to assign you. Now, Irene and Nathan, where are you going to? I think innovator. Milan, adventurer. Pega and Ochuko. That's good to be creator. I've assigned you, you should move.
I'm creator.
How do we move?
I'm going to move you, don't worry.
Okay.
Samuel, innovator. Sumaya, innovator. Tony, adventurer. Vicky, adventurer.
What did adventurer mean?
Adventurer are those doing Scratch, are doing Sprite Lab, like blogs, like Scratch, yeah. So while creators are those doing the app development, and the innovators are those doing the Python, the web, the text-based.
I'm going. Bye.
Okay, bye. Sheyi, are you there? Jesse, why? Go and move. I've moved you. Why is Jesse not moving? Sheyi, are you there? Sheyi, Nathan, I've moved you. You see 4 boxes. Can you click on the 4 boxes? I think something that looks like breakout room. Just click on it. You see it. I've moved you,
You're
guys.
muted, Nathan.
On mute. Did you say 4 boxes?
I'm a creator.
You're a creator.
I moved
But you're already doing
When
Python.
you are not in the innovator.
We are already doing web. You are already innovator.
Yes. So join. Sheyi, are you there? Okay, if you are not going to move, so let's do our own discussion here. What do you think? Hello, guys. Milan, Wisdom. We have 2 more minutes. Milan, Wisdom. Who else is here? So what do you think? Unmute yourself and tell me what you think. Is it better to read books or to watch movies? Which one do you think is
I
better?
think it's better to watch movies because it will be entertaining.
Okay, how about you, Wisdom? What do you think?
I think it's better to read books because it will help you it will help you at a different time.
Okay, don't you want to be entertained?
Yes, but you could live without it.
Okay, so guys, I think you have to convince Milena. Milena, you should also convince Wisdom so that you guys can come to a point and you have to tell us what you think when every other person joins. So over to you guys. Milena, maybe you want to explain to Wisdom why you think it's better to watch movies. And Wisdom,
Because it's
you
not
explain
everybody
to
that likes
Milena.
reading books. Some people
Okay.
like watching movies.
Yeah, I agree with Milena. How about you, Wisdom? What do you think?
Mm, I'm not sure.
You're not sure. No, you should be. So who's going to represent you guys? Milena or Wisdom? You have to back up with a point. Why you think reading books is better than
My
watching
points
movies?
enough.
I think
Isn't my points enough?
No, it's not just your point, though. We have to come to a conclusion. So what do you think, Wisdom?
Can I talk?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I talk?
Yes, go ahead.
No, that's Milan. That's Milan.
Oh, okay.
No, can I talk?
Yes.
Isn't my point enough?
Yes, your point. Yes, your point. Fermi. So we're in the creator stage. So what do you think? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Atara.
Hello?
Who is it? Okay, you don't. Enoch, since when was Enoch the co-host?
I just put down my name.
Okay, so are we all back? Oh, that was quite an interesting one. So are we back? Is everybody here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, better.
Okay.
Never been better.
So I'm sure you guys had enough time to discuss what you think is what do you say? So now let me start with the adventurer. Who is representing the adventurer? Who is representing the adventurer? Who? You people didn't have someone to represent you. How about the creators? That would be fair on me.
Get to elevator.
I am.
Okay. And the innovator, who is representing the innovator stage?
Me. I don't know how
Great.
to say that.
Okay, so let's start with the innovator. What do you think and why?
Adventurer as Milan and Olamide.
Oh, great.
Okay.
Milan and Olamide. Okay, so let's start with innovator in
So
1 minute.
Oh my god. So I think movies are better than books because it gives more detail than books. Because you actually get to see what's happening. Because in books, you have to picture what's going on, which is actually it's actually from your own imagination.
Okay. I think I like that. All right, so let's move. Thank you very much, Aderola. Let's move to the creator, Feromi. Over to you. We have one movie, okay? So let's move to the creator, Abiya, Feromi.
I think reading books are better because if you use the TV for too long, you become dull and then you stay there.
What is going on?
Oh my God, Feromi.
And it
Oh my
depends on
God.
what you're
going on.
I would better read books than use the TV.
Yes, sir.
If I'm using I would read the books because I can after I finish reading the books I can make on my own.
Okay, thank you. Feromi agrees with reading books instead of watching movies. Okay, so let's have Olamide. Olamide.
It's better to read books
Yeah.
because, first of all, looking at the TV for too long is bad. And if you notice, once you step out of the movies, your eyes are like trying to adjust to the light that's outside. So it's really better to not read books because some books are comics and it can show you a lot of information and what happens other than movies. And books give you imagination. So that's why I think it's better to read books than watch.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I'm liking this. Okay, so let's move on to Milan. Guys, are you taking notes? We have one movie, 2 books. So let's see what Milan is going to say. Milan.
There is no clear answer to whether it is better to read book or watch movies. Some people prefer reading books because they are more in-depth and can boost your vocabulary and English.
I didn't get that. So what are you supporting? Is it to watch movie or to read books?
To read books.
To read books. Okay, so I think it's only Aderola that is supporting to watch movie. Okay, you know what? For the last time, let's use the Vicky, can you stop sharing your screen? Let's use the raised hand. If you support watching movie, like watching movie is better than reading books. Let me see your hands raised up. So I'm going to be counting. Watching movie. No, use the raised hand. The raised hand emoji. Okay. Watching movies. We have 2, 3, 4.
Three,
Do you guys understand me?
5.
Watching movies. 5. Jesse supports watching movies. Okay. We have 6 hands raised up. Okay, now you can drop your hand lower. Oh, that makes it. Oh, okay, 5. Now lower your hands. So you support reading books. Can I see your hands? Reading books, reading books, reading books, reading books. We have lots of videos in there. 1, we have 9. We have 9, 10. Oh my goodness. Okay, still 9, 10.
9, 10.
Okay, so a lot of people support reading books. Well, I think we all have what we want. So, like Aderola said, he said that it gives you kind of see what you want to, like what you're reading. It gives you already see it. But reading books, you just have to imagine it. While Peromi said that, what do you mean? I think Payola you joined me. So we're discussing if reading books or watching movies is actually better. All right, thank you so much for your input, guys. And now we are coming to the end of today's community meetup. But before we go, the word problem was submitted, and you guys did amazing project. Like you all did well, but you didn't submit your project. Let me see your hands up. Aside the new students, actually, but you didn't submit your project. Lower your hands. Lower your hands, everyone. You didn't submit your project. Let me see your hands. Okay, so like I said last month, what problem is monthly? You have the chance to check it out in your Google Classroom. You know you are not on the Google Classroom. Tell your teacher to add you to it, okay? Or you can let me know in the chat if you are not on the Google Classroom. All right. So some students did, like we always say, everybody did well, but some added some extra, like some extra spicy, to make the jollof rice very sweet. How many of you know about jollof rice? You used to eat jollof rice. Let me see your hand. You know about jollof rice. Who knows about jollof rice? Look at Jesse. You can tell it's his favorite food. Look at him shouting, me. And I know Deborah also loves jollof rice. Look at her smiling sheepishly. Okay, yeah. So who's going to guess who the winner of the word problem is?
It's me.
What do you mean?
No.
Did you do the word problem? Vicky.
Okay. Spinning. There's a spinner in the chat.
Okay, guys.
So stop that. You're going to be sent away from the breakout room.
That was good. Great.
Yeah. Okay, so keep calm.
Yeah, we can't hear you, Miss Claire. You can unmute, ma'am. Miss Claire, you can unmute.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't know I was muted. But can you hear me now, guys?
Yes, we
so
can.
I said, keep calm while I unveil the winners of the word problem. Okay, so and the first person here is Oluwatoni Olamitoke. Everybody clap for him. So he developed a program in Scratch that generates random acts of kindness by creating a spinner functionality. So congratulations, Tony. Everybody clap for him now. Can't you see how cute Tony looks? Okay, thank you. The next person is Elizabeth. Elizabeth. She also developed a Scratch program that utilizes story to convey themes of kindness. Let's clap for them. So, Tony, open your project down. You are going to be showing us what you did, okay, guys? All right. So the next person is Irene. Irene, everybody clap for her. Irene developed a mobile app that schedules daily acts of kindness for users to implement. So congratulations, guys. Let's tell them congratulations in the chat. Congratulations, congratulations. So this is to challenge each and every one of you that you can do better. Next month is another time to improve in your skills. Improve in your skills. Remember that your efficiency, the efficiency of your code, the creativity, what you are able to put into it, and the design, for those of you that design, I'm sure the Python students, some of them don't design. So for those of you that design, make sure you up your skills. What you do, what you think you didn't do better in the last project, make sure you try to do it better in the next one, okay? Do you understand, guys? You all did amazing well, but you can do better, okay? So now, can we see Tony's project? Tony, can we see the beautiful project you did? Do you want to show us? Okay, Tony is sharing his screen. So in the coming months, you can look at it. Okay, what component haven't I used that I can use to make this project amazing? Some can decide to use
How do you want to write?
Okay, so okay, yeah. So let's see. Tony's Scratch is still opening.
Lemonade. Who wrote lemonade? No one. Good looks again. Why did she just keep writing those? Again.
Yeah, so and for the winner in the innovator stage, in absentia, King is not here, so he's also the winner in the innovator stage. Oh, Tony's project is still loading. So like I said, guys, put in your best, okay? If there's something you need to do, something extra, something it's unique, something solve problems. Solve problems. I'm sure there are some blocks in that Scratch, in that app inventor, in that app lab that someone has not used before. Why don't you find a solution to that? Okay, so let's see. Tony, can you open the project, like maximize it, let everyone see it? Tell us about the project.
So anytime you press this button, the kindness generator will spin and any color you pick. And if you press stop, it will say a random act of kindness.
Wow. Spin again, spin again. I want to say another one. Pig blue. Oh, give someone a happy face. You see that, guys? Does anyone have any question for Tony?
Me.
What's your question?
Me?
Yes.
My question is that how do the colors have words in them? Well, It
How
depends.
did what? What's your question again? I didn't even hear that.
It's a question that really doesn't. Do the colors have words in them?
Do you mean the backdrop that shows the act of kindness?
I know what she said.
Okay, Tony, she's asking, how do you have, okay, so it's going to show you. Yeah, Tony, speak, we can't hear you. Speak up, we can't hear you.
Kindness. And I picked the box and I changed color and I wrote on the box kindness.
Thank you, Tony. This is amazing. Thank you. All right, guys. So finally, we have come to the end of the community meetup. I'm sure you guys had fun, right? Yes. Okay, so what? What do you
Let's
say?
play a game.
You want to play a game? Okay, so we are going to do that in the next month. That's the reason why you guys have to join us next month again, okay? So do have a lovely evening. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. Have a great
Bye.
day. Birthday.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mom. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Samuel. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Benedict.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.